to get started, you as a therapist are going to sign into Specialty on the App Store or the Google Play Store. All you need to do is go to the app and the Google Play Store and search for Specialty for therapists. And if you are a therapy parent, you will use a platform called My Specialty. If you are a patient using Specialty, you use the platform called My Specialty. You will then arrive at this page. You can see that we are guiding you through the process. If you are a therapist, you're going to click I am a therapist. If you are a parent or a client that is joining Specialty, you can click on I'm a therapy client. It also then notifies you to visit My Specialty, and it encourages you to wait for your therapist to send you a link. Okay, if you have already signed into Specialty, remember that you can click on the sign in button and enter your email address and password to get connected. Now you're going to click on I am a therapist. You're then going to enter your full name. You're going to enter your contact details and your email address that you want to use to sign in with Specialty. Well done. You can now enter your position in your practice. Click on position and you can enter whether you're a therapist in a practice, whether you own a practice and do therapy, or if you own a practice but you're not a therapist. I'm going to click on own a practice and do therapy. You can then click on your profession. Are you a play therapist, a general occupational therapist that works in hands, psych, physical rehab, CVAs, or do you work in pediatric occupational therapy, pediatric speech therapy, or are you a practice manager? Click on your specific profession. Then enter your HPCSA credentials. Enter a specific password that you want to use when signing into Specialty. Now you can agree to the terms and conditions between yourself and Specialty. These terms and conditions go through all the legalities of using Specialty as a platform for yourself and your clients and patients. You can read through these terms and conditions and agree to them. We will also send an email with your specific agreement to your email once you click on I agree. Now you have finished the process of registering yourself and creating a profile. Now it's time to add a practice to your profile. I'm going to then click on Add My Practice. If you are a therapist that is joining Specialty because your practice owner has already joined Specialty, you can then click on Find My Practice. This will then lead you to search for the practice that you are going to join. I'm going to click on Add My Practice because I have not created my practice yet. I'm going to enter my practice name, my BHF number, and my address. I can then enter contact details that I want to use for Specialty to contact me. I can enter a website address if I have one. If I don't, I can continue. I can then add my company bio. This is where I'll put my special interest and all the information about my practice, which clients I treat, and what I believe in as a practice owner. I'll put in all my information about my practice and then click continue. I then need to connect my practice to my profession. If you are a therapist that works in maybe 2 different professions, for example, you do OT pediatrics and OT general, you can then connect your specific practice to your specific profession. You can see I only have one practice and one profession, so it ticks itself automatically. I can then put in my specific position in my practice. Am I the practice owner or am I not the practice owner? If a therapist that works for you has signed into specialty and had to create a practice for you because you haven't yet joined, she will then enter, I'm not the practice owner, so that when you join specialty, you can then become the practice owner. You can then click on Create Practice. You will then need to agree to the operator agreements, and these are the specific agreements between the practice owner and specialty. These agreements go through all the laws and legalities about specialty hosting information for you and keeping data safe and secure on behalf of your clients. This agreement will also be emailed to you. Well done. You have now created a profession and a practice.